Get copyright.
What's the deal, y'all?
So, hey y'all, we finally made it to the hotel.
What's the deal?
And I'm about to get in the shower, and then I'm going to shave my legs, underarms, you know, all the good stuff. And then I'm going to come back out and get ready with you guys. We're all gonna get ready with you guys, and then I am going and then I'm gonna put on my detox mask. Oh, hold on.
All of that right now. We got to go. Y'all wanna read?
Shut up! And then I'm gonna put on my detox mask and then my vitamin C serum. So I'm gonna put a few curls into my hair. This hair is really, really silky, so all my curls fall out within about an hour. So I'm gonna have to use some Gots to Be Glue hairspray tonight to keep my curls in.
It is.
And as you can see, Nikki is in there flat ironing her hair, and Destiny is on the bed.
Look, this restaurant got a pool, bitch.
We ain't finna get in no pool in no restaurant. We finna drop up.
You need to be finding somewhere with a bar.
It has a bar. I said restaurant with a bar. It's called Dragonfly.
Destiny.
It has that. There's a bar.
Oh, those drinks look good though.
Thank you.
Are they open past 12? Cause that's the first thing you need to look at. And then see it.
2 a.m. 2 a.m.
Who's getting dropped off?
2 a.m. I hope that wasn't on there.
Yes, it is. 2 a.m. Jump that
Look, we can look right here. They close at 10.
One really, besides Taco Bell. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all my new detox mask. It is a green tea blend. It is by the brand Teamiblends. It is a 4-ounce detox mask, so you get a lot in the container. The original price is $29.99, and I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is Akeira25. It does save you 25% off your purchase of $29 or more, so it is perfect for this detox mask. I am truly in love with this mask. It goes on very easily, and it doesn't feel too tight, how some masks kind of get like too tight on your face when you put it on. It was really easy to take off, and I feel like it really did clear up my face. One thing that I do love about this mask is it is perfect for all skin types, and it gives you a natural glow. The ingredients will be on the screen because I know I'm going to pronounce them wrong. So the mask is cruelty-free, vegan-made with organic ingredients and hand-prepared in small batches right there in the Florida lab. So it literally is the perfect mask for you. Leave it on for about 10 to 12 minutes and then just rinse it off with warm water. I did apply this before I did my makeup because I kind of wanted to see how it made my face glow before actually putting on makeup. You only need to use this detox mask about 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type and you know how many blemishes and things like that you have. One thing I really love that this mask does is get rid of pores and impurities while replenishing the skin with the necessary superfood nutrients. Some of the superfood ingredients that is in this detoxifying mask is matcha green tea, lemongrass, and bentonite clay, which works perfectly for all skin types. Why do we list this?
Come on. I done worked
You
hard.
breathing out hard. All right, move your hand. We already got it over your baby hair.
All right.
Because you just need to pull this front and then just put this under.
You should have seen me last night.
Oh my gosh. Alright, you need to take you a good fast shower.
Girl.
Wet rag for it.
What wet rag?
This one right here.
Is it green?
Oh, Yeah.
Yes, that's what I took my mask off with.
Aren't you supposed to be helping me?
Oh. I just put your hair in there. You don't need it from over your eyes. Crazy. There you go.
Like I got a whole mask head on.
Alright, take it over your eyes.
Don't mess up my women.
You can turn the fucking baby hair again.
Shit, not with that Destiny gel up in there.
Well, you should have laid it down with this first.
Well, thank you.
Cause that lays it down and then just.
Well, I can't do that anyway, cause you don't know how to do that.
No, you not.
Yes, I am. I hope it's in the bathroom.
It's not. Oh, I still got a fucking face mask on me. Bring me that wet rag.
Nope.
Talking to Destiny.
Like it's crazy.
Okay, well y'all need to get to doing Soprano up in that house. Nothing to be bragging about. That's not good, Destiny.
Well, I know.
What you saying for?
None.
Put my fucking razor up. Stupid ass.
Because that looks like
Oh my gosh. Well, you didn't get it together.
Destiny.
Ah.
Wait, we dressing up, ain't we?
Yes, to bring my birthday in.
Yeah, sir.
And then we got the official dinner tomorrow and stuff.
Yeah.
So tonight is not dinner outfit, it's bust down outfit.
It's bust down, Kiana.
I gotta wear a dress?
You can wear whatever you want to
Take that shit
wear.
off that you got on right now, because you're not wearing that.
Yes, I am.
That's a casual outfit.
This is a.
That's me. All right. When you see what we gonna have on, you gonna be.
Ugh.
I don't want to hear
Don't
nothing.
start this.
I don't want to hear. Oh my God, I'm the outcast.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, I don't have.
Don't get my nerves.
We love you too.
And you can wear that. You can wear that orange one.
In the bed, take to the stove. Number 2 for contour. So we got this one and we got this one. I'm using this.
All right, I need the mirror now.
Oh! You should have brought a fucking Mia.
Amia,
Yes, Mia.
you got.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm about to use your phone.
Use your phone.
No, my camera is not as good.
Give me my mirror.
I'm gonna whoop her ass. It look like I done stole somebody's wig and put it on my head. That's all right when I comb these out.
Oh, Lord, jeez, man. And it's hot now. Your breath over here. You got me burning the fuck out.
Okay, fine.
Messy.
I need a little spoolie thing.
Well, I don't got no little spoolie thing. Get gone. Here, gone. And put it back.
In the
That's
line.
my favorite one.
some shit with my hair in my face like this. This is the worst hairstyle I've ever had.
I can do some Aaliyah J wing liner. A bitch would be bad. Okay, bad.
I'd be so scared to do liner because my shit be fucked off if I mess it up. I need them clips in your head. Trick. Kira been holding it. I got 2 fucking clips over here.
Got body pins.
And been asking for them too.
Didn't know I had. I just threw a lot of stuff out of my cabinet in the bag.